Hey guys, thank you for watching The Nice Guy. My name is Awais and today we're going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Nike Series 5 in Space Grey. So here I have Series 5 Apple Watch Nike edition. I'm not sure if you buy a silver one, it will come in a white box, or maybe all the Nike watch comes in black. So if you guys have ordered a silver one, what kind of box did you get? Let me know in the comments below. As you can see, it says Series 5 Space Grey aluminium case. I'm always confused in the way Apple spells Space Grey, because you've got space, which is the correct spelling, and then grey, G-R-A-Y. I'm sure it's G-R-E-Y in some other products. This is the 40mm Apple Watch, and you get the Desert Sand Black Nike Sport Band. Actually, I don't need this, so I'm going to put this away before I get slated. Just going to peel this off. If you haven't already checked out the unboxing for the previous Apple Watches, make sure to go and watch them. Stunning. I'm loving the black with the colored Apple Watches. This is the Desert Sand Black Nike Sport Band that you get with the Apple Watch. We'll put this to one side. Before I open the box and show you guys what's in the box, there's a couple of things to know. The Apple Watch Nike Series 5 isn't any different to the Apple Watch Series 5 or the Apple Watch Edition Series 5. The only difference between all those are prices, the watch bands themselves, and something special with Nike is that you get a couple of extra watch faces, which is only available within the Nike Apple Watches. You can't get them if you buy Series 5. So other than that, nothing else is different. They do the same thing, they're used for the same purpose. There's no other extra functionalities or anything like that. So with that out of the way, let me just open this. Always feels good to open that. So here you have the aluminium Nike. I'll put that to one side. Let's just go through the content. Something different compared to the Apple Watch Series 5. Normally it says designed by Apple in California, but on this one it says designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. You get the same things inside, a little setup guide and some terms and conditions. You also get the same inductive charging, the Watch Series 5 one, and of course the same 5-watt charger. And here is the Apple Watch Nike Series 5. With the Apple Watch Nike Series 5 edition, you do get an option of choosing whether you want an LTE or you want without the LTE. So I'm just going to pull this out. So it's powering on. As you can see on the side, you still have the dial, the main button, you can say the home button. So at the back you've got the ceramic inductive charging. This is my Apple Watch Series 4. If I put the Apple Watch Nike Series 5 next to it, other than color, there's nothing different at all. They are identical. On the left is the Apple Watch Series 4 and on the right is the Apple Watch Nike Series 5. Nothing different at all. Actually, I do prefer the silver over the Space Grey, I think, because you can see a lot more detail on the Apple Watch. Series 4 and Series 5. Not a big difference between how they look, but there is some minor differences inside. The Series 4 doesn't have an always on display. The Series 5 isn't always on display. The Series 4 has less memory. It's a little slower than the Series 5. If you don't own an Apple Watch and aren't sure whether it's for you, then go for the Series 4. If you do want to make a transition to using an Apple Watch, definitely go for the Series 5. And if you already have an Apple Watch 1, Series 2, Series 3, then go for the Apple Watch 5. But like I said, if you already have Series 4, then don't go for the Apple Watch Series 5. It sounds confusing, but it's basically not a lot of difference for what you get. Hopefully next year Apple will implement a lot more than what they did with this version here. So here it is, the Nike Apple Watch. Feels really good on the wrist. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button and comment below. Let me know which Apple Watch will you be getting, or have you already got one? Thank you for watching.